Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be opening up this big beast right here. So this is my new monitor. Well, new. This is actually used, but it's had like 5 months of use. So it's a pretty good deal for what I'm getting. A nice 24-inch Dell monitor with a sleek design and a good colour. Ooh, as it says up there, unbeatable colour. So here we go, we're going to open it up. I did order this the week prior, it's already here. That's pretty good. The main reason I wanted this monitor is because of, well, the design of it. It's very, very sleek and nice. As you can see, we've got our cable here, so there's a DisplayPort to mini DisplayPort cable in the box, so that's going to be handy. Got our power cable, which I already have one, so that's going to be okay. And here's the bar. See whether I can get this out. I think we're going to have to take this to the floor. Our documentation here, that's all cool. And now, first of all, we've got our stand, put that off to the side, and then our monitor. Right, so put that off to the side. Here we have it. This is the monitor. Let me move you guys down again. Right. Sorry for the cable tie on my floor. It's got that nice 1080p thing on top of it. Corners. Look at that. We'll just move it back into frame. That monitor looks nice. So yeah, I'm gonna get the stand out. There we go. That looks nice. I really like this. Kind of see, it's a lot sleeker and nice. It's not as thick, it's not as glossy, which I really hate glossy. Hey, so out with the old. Alright. We've got a Dell logo. So yeah, there we go. And if it wants to focus, here we go. The monitor is all set up and looking quite nice. Also rearranged my laptop setup now so it's not behind the monitor, and this can sit back as far as it needs to. Now what I do really love about this monitor is the USB pass-through. So basically you plug one cable into here and you plug it into your computer, and you get USB and audio on the monitor, so you can plug in some speakers, which is going to be really handy if I want to use a console or another computer on my setup. Instead of having to unplug cable from here, plug it into another device. It's just perfect, and it works fantastic. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.